Making a rich and yummy fried rice should not be difficult at all. Add a little oil in your pot, chopped onion, minced ginger and garlic. Fry till fragrant, add thyme, curry and mix together. Green seasoning gives that greenish yellow color and flavor. Salt and seasoning powder to taste. Mix together and add your washed rice. Fry this rice till crunchy. Then add your meat stock or chicken stock. Water to cover and allow to cook till soft. This method gives your fried rice that standalone texture that you're gonna love. Then to another pan, add a little oil, your veggie mix, dry pepper for heat, season with garlic and ginger powder, seasoning powder, then add your green pepper and fried liver. Fried liver is totally optional, but for that authentic Niger fried rice recipe, should have one in it. Fry this for 2 minutes and add your already cooked rice. Mix together and you have your rich fried rice. Serve with any protein and enjoy. Please like this video, share and comment.
The TGIF, it's the kitchen brew. Let's explore, let's make that move. From snacks to meals, it's all a delight. Cooking magic every Friday night. Specials dropping every week. Inspiration's all you need. From creamy soups to spicy stew, TGIF Kitchen is here for you. The TGIF, it's the kitchen brew. Let's explore, let's make that move. From snacks to meals, it's all a delight. Cooking magic every Friday night. Every night. So don't miss out, the fun is real. Let's spice it up, bring on the meal. In TGIF Kitchen we shine so bright. Flavorful vibes all day, all night. Woo!